Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. Today I have another package from Wednesday and Gilly together. I cannot believe I have yet something else. I am so blessed. This doll community is amazing. You all reaching out to one another, leaving comments and visiting channels and replying to comments. It's incredible. Oh my God, this is so cute. Wait till you see what this is. To Daisy and Marna, love Gilly. Gilly has...
He's got better handwriting than I do.
Gilly has been crafting. How cute is this monster dress and headband? Let me go get Daisy. I missed this part of the note. Dear Marna, Gilly made this dress for Daisy. He made the headband too. We hope you like it. The staples are his signature touch. Thank you, Gilly. Gilly, your craftsmanship is spot on. Look how the bow of the waist ribbon becomes a bow tie for the little monster. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. What a cute dress. Did you make your own pattern? And look, she has the little headband on too. Oh my goodness, thank you. That is so cute, and I think the only outfit that Daisy has with little monsters on it. That is adorable, or what we call here, adorkable. Thank you so much. Take a swing by or a click by. We're going to leave a link below for Wednesday and Gilly Together's channel. It's really cute. Gilly's a little stuffed monster, puppety monster. We all just love him. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.